Hi, let's introduce this fingerprint smart lock. Firstly, show the appearance. Nano materials, full lock spare. Integrated design. Hide the lock cover. Deviation aluminum integrated foaming. Nano fill texture design of high-grade drawing. Anti-scratching, anti-fingerprint residue. You like the kind of bright surface reflective. Use a few months is full of scratches. Every time a touch left fingerprints. Now let me show the functions to you. This lock is a high-quality, automatic, intelligent fingerprint lock with all the functions. There are 9 unlocking functions. Facial ID unlocking, mobile phone remote unlocking, doorbell video call unlocking, fingerprint unlocking, password unlocking, card unlocking, mechanical key unlocking, temporary password unlocking, double ways unlocking. The front is a megapixel wide-angle camera. At the back is a new 4.0-inch HD screen with clear, low-blurry images.